everyone, welcome back to my channel. Alright, going back to the previous video that I made about using calculator to solve for one variable first degree. Now in this video I'm going to show you how to solve for second degree or higher degree when you have one variable. Let's start with this case. So again, you insert exactly how it looks on the paper into your calculator. Let me clear this first. So I have x squared plus 2x minus 3 equals 0, right? Okay, another thing is that, so this one you can use the polynomial function on your calculator. So it has a function to solve for binomial or trinomial. You don't have to use this method, but because I like to show you how to use calculator, so that's why I show it here. You could go to setup alpha a 2 and then select the degree. So here I have 2 degrees plus hit 2 and then insert 1 2 minus 3. I got 1. I got 2 roots, x equal 1 and x equal negative 3. Okay, let's go back to the main window. Now use calculator, use this screen. So x squared plus 2x minus 3 equals 0, and then hit shift, solve 1 equals twice. Alright, it gives you x equal 1. So we knew that this has 2 roots, x equals 1 and x equals negative 3. We got only 1 root so far. How do you get this one? Well, you do this. So take everything on the left side and then divide it by the value you just found. So x minus this number, and then hit shift sort again, x equals negative 3. You got another root. Alright, this for problem. Now let's do this problem. I have 3 to the x plus 7 to the x minus 48x plus 38 equals 0. Okay, insert exactly the same. Shift, solve 1. Okay, x equal 1. Does this have only one root? How do you know? May have another root, 2, 3, or 4. Alright, use the same method. You put everything, you divide the left side by the value you just found, divided by x minus 1. Okay, so always put it into the form of x minus value. So if it's negative x minus negative number, okay, then shift solve 1, x equal 2. So you get another value of 2. Alright, and then you do it again, divide by x minus 2, shift solve 1. Okay, you got this number. It's weird number, so that means that you have no more roots. Alright, that's it.
If you find the video is helpful, feel free to give it a like, share, and subscribe to my channel in order to receive the most current videos. Don't forget to hit the bell so that you won't miss anything. I'll see you next time.